Bulldozer. Here comes the bulldozer. It pushes big piles of dirt and rocks. Excavator. Look at the excavator. It digs deep holes in the ground. Dump truck. Wow, a dump truck. It carries sand, dirt, and gravel to build roads. Cement mixer. Spin, spin goes the cement mixer. It mixes concrete to make buildings strong. Road roller. Here's the road roller. It flattens the road to make it smooth. Crane. A crane lifts heavy things way up high into the sky. Loader. A loader scoops up dirt and moves it to another place. Tractor. This is a tractor. It pulls and pushes heavy stuff on farms and sites. Forklift. A forklift lifts boxes and moves them around warehouses and work sites. Backhoe. A backhoe can dig with one end and scoop with the other. Skid steer loader. Small but strong, the skid steer loader can work in tight spaces. Motor grader. A motor grader makes the ground flat before building roads. Asphalt paver. The asphalt paver lays hot asphalt to make new roads. Crawler crane. A crawler crane moves on tracks and lifts super heavy loads. Tower crane. Tower cranes are tall and help build big skyscrapers. Concrete pump truck. A concrete pump truck sends concrete through a big pipe to hard-to-reach places. Scraper. A scraper cuts and collects soil to move it far away. Pile driver. A pile driver pushes long poles deep into the ground to make buildings strong. Tunnel boring machine. This giant machine digs tunnels underground. Trencher. A trencher digs long, narrow holes for pipes and cables. Hydraulic shovel. A hydraulic shovel digs and lifts heavy rocks and dirt. Compactor. A compactor squashes the ground to make it firm and flat. Wheel tractor scraper. This big machine cuts, collects, and carries soil for building work. Dragline excavator. A dragline excavator uses a big bucket to scoop dirt from far away. Articulated dump truck. An articulated dump truck bends in the middle to turn easily. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.